Hi, my name is Jennifer Davis, and I'm a senior service engineer at Yahoo. I'm also a part-time paladin. Now, tonight I want to kind of share with you the things that I learned in my adventures on D&D and how they kind of apply to administering real-time data systems, systems that are so stressful at times. And you would wonder why on a Friday night I would spend time actually talking to other geeks and examining ways to save the world. But it's kind of fun. And so tonight I want to kind of approach those strategies and things that I've learned and how they apply to sort of managing data systems. So one of the important things about D&D is that you do a lot of character development. You choose who you are, what you're going to do, and what skills you apply and use at any given time. And so my D&D GM is pretty awesome in that she helps me flesh out my character. It's kind of given me some insight into actually managers that I would prefer to have in that style. So in D&D, you kind of go through this process of choosing your teammates and what roles they're going to play. I actually didn't want to start out as a paladin. I wanted to do like magic. And we didn't have a tank, so all of a sudden, I'm a paladin, but I've got magic skills, but I'm a dragon. Okay, dragonborn. But that's okay. In the real world, you often have to choose the roles that maybe you have within your team that aren't there. So say you're interviewing and you're saying, no boss, I can't have that person because that person doesn't know the things that I know. Well, you're doing it wrong. You're actually evaluating people on the skills that you already bring to the team. And in big data systems, it's a team effort. So it matters what skills they bring to your team. So, sometimes you take the wrong path. Sometimes you end up in a fight you didn't need to be in. Say one of your party attack a stone chess piece that isn't moving or threatening you in any way. And guess what? Stone does not die. So, you know what? In the real world, mistakes happen. We are encountering hardware failures, software failures, bugs, and the customer uses things in ways we didn't expect them to use. So what do? In D&D, you're able to have that space to step back and kind of analyze things and wonder, hey, how do we handle this situation? You're in a life-threatening situation, but your life isn't actually in danger. This actually gives some of the aspects of D&D in terms of talking about what your character does, as well as who your character is in sort of a meta context that we don't often do in our jobs every day. So this brings up some of the really important aspects of D&D, not making assumptions about something like I have to attack everything in the room. You want to explore, and bringing this sense of exploration to your job and understanding, okay, here is what surrounds me, here's what I might need to do, not making assumptions about what other people are saying, this is how things need to happen. It's really, really important. It's also part of why we kind of do games. We have fun doing games. So initiative, this is a really critical feature that people don't actually apply to a lot of teams. It's when you roll a die to determine what order people are going to do their particular actions in a game. You're in a team. You need to be able to understand that, hey, everybody has a particular skill set. Maybe I'm not the right person to be doing the thing that I really want to do. I'm the meat shield. I may need to be at the front taking the hits, but maybe it's the guy with the magic who's going to hit the magic guy way over there who's hitting us all with like spells. So in real world, what does this mean? Sometimes you need to understand your skills while you want to be the awesome person. You need to step back and let somebody else do something. And it means you've got to wait. You have to wait and be quiet. Listen. So that's a very critical skill. So D&D, you can learn to play. I encourage people to go and try it as a team building exercise. It's career development, team dynamics, learning to fail gracefully, and exploring your environment, not just trying to stress out. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and handing it off.